Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a ratio single unchanged problem using ratio models. Let's get started. Annie had some blue and red buttons in the ratio of 3:2. When she bought an additional 21 red buttons, the ratio of blue buttons to red buttons became 4:5. How many blue buttons did she have at first? Now, the initial blue to red buttons is 3:2. We can first represent that with a model. For blue, we have 1, 2, and 3 units. Similarly, for red, we have 1 and 2, representing the ratio 3:2. Now, this is the situation before. Let us consider what happens next. Now, first we notice that the number of blue buttons before and after is unchanged, thereby the question single unchanged. Now, we can first represent the total box length of blue and inherit that down here, since the total box length is unchanged. Now, this blue total box length is also represented by 4 parts. Now, how can we do that? We can first remove the lines and now divide that into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, similarly, we can represent red buttons after using the new parts with 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, the number of red buttons before and after is separated by the difference here. What is this difference representing? Yes, that's right. There will be 21 red buttons, since that was what was added. We have 21 red buttons here. Now we can't make a fair comparison now because we don't really know what 21 represent, since the boxes are not of the same size. We can't compare them. So we have a problem now. The problem is this. We have 3 blue units before and 4 blue parts after. We know they represent the same thing, but they are not of the same size. How can we split them so that they will represent the same box size? Yes, that's right. Common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So for the 3 blue units before, we can divide each unit into 4 equal sections. For the 4 blue parts after, we can divide each part into 3 equal sections. So let's do that now. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We do that similarly for red buttons before. Now, for the blue buttons after, we need to divide each part into 3 equal size boxes. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. We do that similarly for the red boxes after. Now, this is the completed model diagram. What we have here is a model diagram with all boxes of the same size, and then we can proceed to find out what 21 really represent. Firstly, 21 represent the length here. We can drag that downwards and nothing would have changed. So 21 represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 units. So 7 units represent 21, like so. So 1 unit will have represented 21 divided by 7 to give us 3. We are interested in the number of blue buttons initially. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 units will be 3 times 12 to give us 36. And there we have it. We have our answer, which is there are 36 blue buttons at first. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time.